Hey guys, today we are installing the AUTOMODS Skid Plates for the NSX Type S. I've got my friend Terrence here who's going to be helping. We have the car already on a lift, as you can see. That leaves us enough space to be able to get underneath the car. The kit is very well designed. It's got 7 pieces along with instructions on how to install these. So you start off by cleaning, prepping the surface, getting everything aligned, and then installing piece by piece. Here's a walkthrough of the car.
Surface preparation.
Our QA guy. We're cleaning the surface first, prepping it. I made sure that there wasn't no PPS going underneath these, because the instructions say that if you have like ceramic coating or PPF, you need to remove it. Hey, you missed a spot there.
It's coming. Can't complain about cheap labor.
Alright, so here's the first piece
first
going
panel.
on.
Spot on, good cut.
Easy to install.
Very easy. This is the most important one to install because the rest fits like a puzzle. So you want to allow a little bit of gap, otherwise it'll be too shifted to the left. If you don't have a little gap here, you want to see a little bit, about a 1/16 of an inch paint color underneath. If you look straight up, you'll see the white, the 130R white.
Yep.
If you go too far over, it's going to make these pieces not fit, so it's got to be just right with about 1/16 of an inch exposed to paint on both sides.
Good. What are we doing now?
Piece number 2.
All right.
Lining up. That's good. Make sure the butt's up first, then you can apply the rest on the front. So, no, I'm using it like a squeegee technique. Little facets here. Actually a very nice fit now.
Looks like factory.
Yeah, you squeeze it out just like a squeegee, and each part will mold to the contour. Like different little facets on there.
All right, halfway done. Which piece is this?
Piece number 3. And rest it upon the carbon piece. This is a tough one. Okay. So kind of here, follow the back groove. Keep applying pressure to this back piece. Key thing is to make sure it's lined up with that carbon piece.
Got it.
Then the rest can be massaged forward and out.
Is this
There we
again?
go. Piece number 5. AUTOMODS. Same thing as the other side. Allow a little bit of gap. Go up against the carbon ridge. Just follow that ridge. Don't let this stick yet. Follow the carbon ridge all around the back, and it will go into place. Once you got the back completed, you can come back and roll the front. Piece number 6, here we go. Same as the other side, start on this corner, butt it up against, start following the piece here in the back, just rubbed up against next to it. Press it in on the carbon. Get that full inside line. Start working outward. That's it. You done?
Done? The 7th piece I think goes underneath here, but yeah, I left it at home, so probably gonna install that one later on. But that's it, guys. Pretty clean install. Everything aligns perfectly. This is a well-made kit. I think AUTOMODS did a great job. Thanks for watching.
You're not speaking?
No.
I'm just the installer. I'm not doing